Almost no high-intensity workout is complete without a burpee. Burpees are a great way to tone your body, burn calories, and increase your endurance. In this video, I'll tell you what will happen to your body if you do 10 burpees every day. So, watch the video till the end. It will be interesting. Let's go. Burpee benefits. Burpees are a combination of several consecutive elements: squats, push-ups, and a jump. The advantage of burpees is the workout of the whole body. Burpee helps to lose weight and speed up metabolism. This is confirmed by doctors. Studies involving teenagers have shown that burpee is beneficial for increasing endurance and strengthening all major muscle groups. In addition, it had a positive effect on cognitive functions. Short-term memory improved in students. Like any intense exercise, burpee improves psychological well-being. Exercise reduces the likelihood of depression and increases resistance to stress due to the production of norepinephrine and serotonin in the body during and after exercise. The advantage of burpee is that when it is performed, all large muscle groups work: calf muscles, thigh muscles, buttocks muscles, core and chest muscles, triceps, shoulders. Burpees also improve wrist mobility and help you get back on your feet faster after falls in everyday life. Burpee is a good cardio load. With continuous exercise, the pulse rises and the blood moves more actively through the vessels, which helps to develop endurance. But even those who don't have any cardiovascular diseases should be careful and increase the load gradually so as not to allow too sharp a change in heart rate. How many calories are burned during a burpee? How many calories do burpees burn? A minute of doing burpees burns 10 kilocalories. On average, during this period of time, people perform about 20 burpees. It turns out that 100 repetitions help burn 50 kilocalories, but this is only an approximate calculation. The actual number of calories burned depends on a number of factors: body weight, exercise intensity, exercise technique. The more repetitions you do, the more calories you burn. How to do a burpee correctly? Burpee's proper form. The essence of burpee is the alternation of falling to the floor and jumping up. There are several options for performing burpees. They can be divided according to the level of difficulty. The starting position is always the same: feet shoulder width apart, arms along the body. The standard version of the burpee with active jumps and push-ups is suitable for those who are ready for a fairly high cardio load. Get into a squat position. Place your hands on the floor in front of you. Jump into a plank position with straight arms. Perform a push-up with your elbows out to the sides. Return to the squat position by jumping up to your palms. From this position, jump up. Incorrect burpee technique can lead to injury. Common burpee mistakes. Since all muscle groups are involved in the exercise, a variety of parts of the body can be damaged. Here are some of the most common mistakes to avoid when doing burpees. The first mistake is to put a lot of stress on your ankles and knees while sitting on your heels in a squat position. It is better to stand on your toes, keeping the feet away. Thus, the load will fall on the calf muscles. The second mistake is to bend over in a plank position. It is important to keep the hips, torso, and knees in a straight line. To do this, you need to tighten the muscles of the buttocks and abdomen. Bending can lead to lower back pain. The third mistake is to abruptly transfer the weight to the hands. At the moment of jumping away from the palms to get into the plank position, you need to transfer the weight from the legs smoothly, otherwise it will lead to pain in the wrists and shoulders. The fourth mistake is to start with complex variations of the exercise. Poor training can lead to injury. It is better to complicate the technique gradually. The fifth mistake is to exercise too hard. An unreasonably high load on the heart and lungs is dangerous. It is also important to increase load gradually. The sixth mistake is to ignore the warm-up before the exercise. It is necessary to warm up well before training, so as not to damage the muscles and joints. By the way, friends, be sure to watch other videos on this channel. Links are on the screen right now. See you soon.